Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to find cells that start with a particular word in a cell. So all you have to do is what? Press Ctrl F. So Ctrl F will bring out a dialog box. This is the dialog box. While Ctrl H will bring out the dialog box for find and replace. So now let's say in this our cell range, we want to find cell that starts with letter A. Press Ctrl F. So that is small letter A. So all we have to do is what? Press A, then put an asterisk sign there. Then you check this box for match case. Then press find all. Can you see? Shows that two cells actually start with a small letter A. But if you check this match entire cell center, see what will happen. It will count all the cells, including both the small letter A and the capital letter A. Can you see that? So what we need is the match case. Can you see? Then if we want to replace it with something else, so we can just put, let's say we want to replace it with letter D. So click on what? Replace all. Can you see? We've made two replacements. Can you see? So we actually find cells that start with a small letter A. Can you see? We replace them with what? Letter D. Let me undo the changes. Now, let's say I want to count cells that end with letter, let's say letter D. So all you have to do is what? Type the asterisk sign, then put the D. Match case, find all. Can you see? It's just one actually. Can you see? Then if you want to replace, then let's say you want to replace it with letter F. Can you see? Match case. Click on what? Replace all. Can you see? Just one change. Can you see? Alright, thank you for watching this video.